In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an A4 portrait slide in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a report, designing a flyer, or simply need your presentation in the A4 format, transforming your slides into a portrait layout is simpler than you might think. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Google Slides presentation. If you haven't created one yet, go ahead and start a new presentation. Don't worry, because these steps apply whether you're working on an existing project or starting from scratch. Once your presentation is open, let's direct our attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the File menu. Clicking on File will reveal a drop-down menu containing various options. From there, look for Page Setup. It's quite essential for customizing the dimensions of your slides. Selecting Page Setup will bring up a dialog box. Here, you'll notice a drop-down menu, which by default might show widescreen 16.9 or another layout. What we'll need to do is click on that drop-down menu to select Custom. This is the setting that allows you to enter precise measurements, perfect for what we need today. Now that you're in Custom, it's time to set your dimensions. Since we're focusing on an A4 portrait format, you'll want to enter the width and the height. If you're more comfortable working with the metric system, type in 21 centimeters for the width and 29.7 centimeters for the height. Alternatively, if you prefer using inches, you can input 8.5 inches as your width and 11 inches for the height. Both measurements will achieve the same standard A4 size, so choose whichever unit you're most familiar with. It's important to make sure you have the correct measurements, as this will ensure your content fits perfectly on each slide. After you've carefully entered your dimensions, look for the Apply button to confirm and save your changes. Clicking Apply will instantly transform your presentation into the A4 portrait format you need. It's as straightforward as that. Once applied, your entire presentation will now be in that A4 format, making it suitable for various professional and personal uses. Every slide you add from this point will automatically follow these measurements, so you won't need to repeat this process for each new slide. And there you have it. By just following these simple steps, you've successfully changed the layout of your Google Slides presentation to an A4 portrait format. I hope this guide made the process easy to understand. With your slides now in the correct format, you're all set to continue creating and sharing your presentation with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting. Happy.